This video shows how to clone GN60 series Gearbox computer. In this case, I'm gonna use 6040. You can click Help document to check the connection diagrams. Check the accessories we need. Install the interface board. Short circuit the CAN resistor on the obdii365 adapter to the CAN2R drain side. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose GN. Choose Gearbox Clone. Choose 6040. Choose Full Backup Date. Make sure that the ACDP device is connected to the Gearbox. Confirm the system information and save the screenshot. Please save the trip date. This is the storage path of the backup file. Then click Save on the bottom right corner. Backup date finished. Connect the new GM Gearbox and prepare to write the original date. Select Full Write Date. Make sure that the ACDP device is connected to the Gearbox. Confirm the system information and save the screenshot. Click Continue. Select the original date file that we saved in the previous step. The device is about to write trip date. Please make sure these two Gearbox computers are the same. Write date finished. Thank you for watching.